Somebody can tell me why Sister Mava don't stop walking around and offering people some of our taste bad food to eat? Eh? No, you see, if people they just nip this thing into the bud, this lady would not be such a nuisance, you know. No, after every Sunday service, we tend to have a little heat up where we have a little potluck. I bring some chicken, you bring some beef, and so on and so forth. No, she's always bringing fair food, you know, but nobody not taking it. And it's like she does not realize that nobody is taking it. So, last week she did carry some curry goat, so you know that is curry goat I was not going to take any check with that. So I just nice to tell her that I does not eat curry goat. No, I forget me and this woman have this conversation, you know, come back this week now. It's Sister Angelica have curry goat and I taking some of the curry goat. Here she come to me now. Sister Passion, so how you tell me last week that you does not eat curry goat? I don't answer, I try to ignore her. She said, hey Sister Passion, following back at me now, you know. So if you did tell me that you wanted curry goat, I could have carry curry goat for you this week, you know. Me ignore her again. Me continue to walk. Sister Passion, why you never tell me that you like curry goat? I said, lady, because you cannot cook. So you know, say everybody in the church start to look round at me shot. No, but I could not hold it anymore because I said to her, I was trying to spare you the embarrassment, you know, but it's like you cannot take a hint. No, you're following back at me offering me food. I'm starting to feel like this is a conspiracy, like you're trying to poison me or something. You give me a cup of soup the other day and to tell you the truth. Better if you did give me a cup of Cersei because I'm sure I would have enjoyed it a little better. So I see like her bottom lip start to tremble now like she going to ball or something. And you know, I did start to feel a little way. I said, I'm really sorry that you was taking so long to take a hint, but I does not want you to feel anyway. And you know, I really appreciate this offer. And in fact, any point in time in the future, I feel like I'm going to commit suicide. Rest assured that you are the first person I'm going to link for your plate of food.